The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation in Ukraine. High-precision long-range Kalibr missiles near Priluki, Chernigov region have destroyed Ukrainian arsenal of artillery weapons and ammunition. In addition, high-precision air-based missiles have hit 11 areas of Ukrainian manpower and military equipment, 8 firing positions of Ukrainian artillery units, including 3 platoons of Grad multiple launch rocket systems near Bakhmut and Peroyezhno in Donetsk People's Republic, Lysychansk in Lugansk People's Republic, and 2 ammunition depots on the southern outskirts of Kharkov and near Gorska in Lugansk People's Republic. Operational, tactical and dummy aviation have hit 101 areas of Ukrainian manpower and military equipment concentration. The attacks have resulted in the elimination of more than 350 nationalists, 3 command posts, 13 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 6 Grad multiple rocket launchers, 14 field artillery mounts and 22 special vehicles have been destroyed. Russian air defense means have shot down 1 MiG-29 aircraft of the Ukrainian Air Force near Slavyansk in Donetsk People's Republic and 1 Mi-24 helicopter near Snegirevka in Nikolaev region. 9 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles have been shot down near Chervonaya Gusarovka, Bolshie Prokhody, Malaya Kamyshevakha in Kharkov region, Apostolovo in Dnepropetrovsk region, Donetsk, Levkovka and Yakovlevka in Donetsk People's Republic. In addition, 1 Ukrainian .U ballistic missile near Vernopolye, Kharkov region, and 14 Smerch rockets near Donetsk, Alexandrovka, Donetsk People's Republic, Popasnaya, Lugansk People's Republic, and Sukhaya Kamenka, Kharkov region, have been intercepted. Missile troops and artillery have hit 280 areas of Ukrainian concentration of manpower and military equipment, 18 command posts, 59 firing positions of artillery and motor units, as well as 1 fuel depot near Konstantinovka in Donetsk People's Republic. In total, 202 Ukrainian airplanes and 131 helicopters, 1,205 unmanned aerial vehicles, 338 anti-aircraft missile systems, 3,548 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 521 multiple launch rocket systems, 1,947 field artillery and motors, as well as 3,605 units of special military vehicles were destroyed during the operation. The Ukrainian army continued to suffer significant losses during the special military operation. I would like to note that in recent weeks, incidents involving the shooting of Ukrainian servicemen and backed by nationalist units have become more frequent in areas of military operations. Thus, after a fire preparation for an attack by Russian troops near Novomikhailivka in Donetsk People's Republic, more than 30 servicemen of the 25th Battalion of the 54th Mechanized Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces decided to lay down their arms and surrender. Ukrainian servicemen occupying strongholds near Zveroferma asked the Russian unit command via radio to cease fire and provide a corridor for exit. Around 10 p.m., Ukrainian Armed Forces servicemen with white flags began moving towards Russian positions. At that moment, a Ukrainian nationalist barrier unit arrived at the stronghold in armored vehicles and opened crossfire in the back on the servicemen of the 54th Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces. As a result of this shooting, 32 Ukrainian servicemen were fatally wounded and killed. This incident, as well as many others like it, clearly demonstrates that amid growing military failures and demoralization of Ukrainian troops, the Kiev nationalist regime is trying to stop the retreat and surrender of its units by punitive actions of barrier squads. The lives of Ukrainian servicemen and mobilized fighters of the territorial defense units mean nothing to the current leadership of Ukraine.